Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for high school entrance exams. First, understand the exam structure and what subjects it covers. Next, develop a study schedule that fits your daily routine, dedicating specific blocks for each subject. Finally, collect all your textbooks, practice tests, and online resources. A well-organized approach from the start will significantly boost your confidence and preparation for the exam. To study effectively, consistently take timed practice tests to simulate exam conditions. Don't just memorize, strive to deeply understand the underlying concepts in subjects like math and verbal reasoning. After each practice session, thoroughly review any questions you answered incorrectly. This process helps identify weak areas and reinforces correct approaches, making your study time much more productive and targeted for improvement. Building your skills involves daily practice in reading comprehension and expanding your vocabulary. Work on a variety of problem-solving exercises to sharpen your critical thinking across different subjects. Equally important is maintaining a positive mindset and learning techniques to manage any test anxiety. Believing in your abilities and staying calm will allow you to perform your best on exam day, showcasing all your hard work. On the night before your exam, ensure you get at least 8 hours of sleep to be well-rested and focused. Arrive at the test center early with all necessary items, like pencils and an approved calculator. During breaks, remember to stay hydrated. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Approach each section calmly, read instructions carefully, and trust your preparation to succeed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.